Alright guys, for this video I have this beautiful American Series 5200. There's actually 100th anniversary 1912 to 2012 commemorative lock, so that's pretty cool. Here's the key. Not too shabby. It works very well. I just acquired this from an Army surplus store, that's just kind of down the street. Kuwaiti Keith was looking for an older American 5200 for the core and the actuator, I believe. And I told him that, there's this Army surplus store near me that generally has at least a few 5200s, and that I'd be happy to send him a few. Well, I went there and there was only this one, and it's clearly a somewhat newer model, and it didn't have the type of core or actuator that he needed, so I wasn't able to help him out. But I did buy this for only $5, which I'm pretty happy with. I feel like at that price, not that I will, but I could sell this on eBay and probably make at least 4 times as much as I paid. Oh, okay, let's reset. So it's a pretty nice lock. It's in pretty great shape. And let's see if I can open it for you guys. I have opened it twice. I opened it once and I was like, oh, that opened pretty quickly. Turned on the camera, tried for 10 minutes, nothing. Tried for another 10 minutes, nothing. Turned off the camera, tried a little bit longer. Oh. And I did get it for a second time. I think I'm oversetting things. Whoa. So yeah, I have opened this lock before. This isn't my first time, but I still don't have it figured out. That's sad. Alright, well. Good thing I just bought a replacement for that one. Cage dropped into a full set. Now I'm going to switch for a pick that's thinner. If I can just send them home. Let me adjust my pry bar, make sure it's all the way at the top so it's not interfering. Okay, I think it's one. Alright, so I opened it. There was one casualty, but I mean when it's a military lock, sometimes that just happens. I use this tray printed for me by Bobby Keys. Ooh, if I could say words, that would help. I call it my watermelon tray. To remove the screw. And I don't think I've mentioned it yet. Like I said, this is my third video trying to open this lock, so I don't remember what I've said, but this is also my entry to the Helpful Lock Pickers 15,000 subscriber giveaway, which that's just a tremendous amount of subscribers. That is really awesome. So this is a follower that I have, and it's not the one that I need. I'm going to lock it up again. And we're going to use a shim. We're going to play it safe. Just a second, guys. I thought I was prepared. But anyway, the helpful lockpicker, he just hit 15,000 subscribers. Well, he's actually over 16,000 now, but so this is my entry to that. His channel's not that old. It hasn't been around for that long, and it just shows you that when you're creating content that is helpful and that people are looking for, how quickly you can grow your channel, which I think is awesome. There we go. C-clip off. Now I put in the key. And I want that part there. I'm going to use a smaller shim. Alright. Gonna drop one of the key pins because I wasn't paying attention. Alright, that is number 4. Nope, I lied to us. Holding that cradle. So I'll show you what it was like with it in. So number 3 is just about as high as you can have it. So that one, I was probably oversetting that one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I said 5, 6. There are only 5. The core hasn't been modified at all. This is just a normal American lock. The key pins that are long enough have serrations. I'll show you that at the end. As for drivers, okay, sorry. Number 5 is a nice serrated. Number 4, serrated spool. We'll go back the other way. Number 1 is also a serrated spool. Number 2 is also a serrated spool. Number 3 is a serrated. I'm expecting all of the springs to be the same. Yep. Little copper springs. Now, I've opened quite a few Americans, and these driver pins and key pins are some of the cleanest that I've seen. I don't feel like this lock has seen a lot of action because these are all in great shape. I'm sure you've all seen American key pins, but they just have serrations. These are their beautiful serrated spools, which you had in 1, 2, and 4. Serrated pins in 3 and 5 are beautiful. All the springs are the same. Alright guys, that is what I have. That is my entry. If you're not familiar with the helpful lockpicker somehow, if you're subscribed to me but not him somehow, you should go check him out. I'll put a link to his channel in the description, or you can click right there. I'm going to put something right there that you can click on. But anyway, if you have any questions, leave them below. If you liked what you saw, please hit like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.